Hello everyone, my name is Luis and in this video I'm going to show you how to complete assignment number 3 and 4. Just keep in mind that assignment number 1 was the email, assignment number 2 was the about me section and create a portfolio. Assignment number 3 is going to be focusing on understanding myself and creating a new page. And assignment number 4 that I'm also covering in this video is going to be about creating another page. So before we do all those assignments, just make sure that you're going to use either a Google Chrome or a Firefox browser, any of these two. Do not use any other browsers, okay? So you can just go to your ePortfolio by using your LIF101 portal account. I'm just going to use another method which is so much faster and easier for me. If you want to use it, it's up to you. So I usually just type ePortfolio LIFCC. As you can see, one more time, ePortfolio LIFCC, and just to make sure that you understand every single step. If I'm going too fast, just pause the video, go back and forth, okay? So now, once I type ePortfolio LIFCC, I'm gonna click the first link. Sorry, this is not the correct one. Should be there. You go. So now, make sure that you're using this page. Where it's gonna ask you your username and password. One more time, is the same as your LIF101 account. Just type it, and then you will get access. So I'm gonna type it right now. This is the home page, and as I always told you in the previous classes, make sure that once you join the class, always open your ePortfolio. So this is the home page. You're just gonna log into your ePortfolio. In this case, this is the one that I'm gonna use right now. In your case, you are not gonna have so many portfolios, just one probably or two. So once you select your ePortfolio, it's gonna take you to the home page, or the first page of your account. Here it is. So one more time, creating the portfolio and the about me page, which is this page, the first one that you see, it was the second assignment. The third assignment that I'm going to explain you right now, and the fourth assignment is going to be the following. So first, you will need to go to planning for success. You're going to hover here, do not click it. Then you go to understanding myself, and you're going to click this one. Once you click it, it's going to take you to this page. One more time, planning for success, understanding myself. You click it, then you're going to scroll down. Then you will see this box over here under my goals. Just select, click it, and you're going to answer this question. My main goal in attending LIF101 Community College is, in your case it's going to be blank. You just click it and select one option. Doesn't matter which one. Then go to my values, and you're going to do the same thing. You click it, and then you're going to select one of the values. In your case, those are going to be empty, so make sure that everything is completed. The same thing with my skills, the same thing with my strengths. Again, just click it and select one of the options, the one that you feel more comfortable. All of your options are going to be empty, as you can see here, but you need to make sure that everything is completed by clicking and selecting one of the options. So once you complete my goals, my values, my skills, my strengths, then you're going to go to the reflection part. Here you will have a bunch of nonsense words. Just make sure that you delete it by clicking the pen icon over here. There you go, you see there is blue. Once it's blue, you can edit. And also once you click it, it's going to give you a bunch of questions, which is those 3 questions that you need to answer in this box. If this box is bothering you, you can just click this icon that is in the top right corner, and you see it shrinks. So now in this box one more time, you're gonna write your reflection part about all this page. You can one more time make sure to click at the prompt box to see what questions do you need to answer. These are the questions, and you're gonna answer all of them here in the reflection part. Once you have it, then you need to make sure to publish pages. This is the only way that you can save all your work, and the professor and myself will be able to see your assignments. So you're gonna go and click the three horizontal lines here. It's next to publish view. Then you're gonna click the second option, publish pages. The second one, do not use the first one. The second one, publish pages. Then you select the first one that it says all pages. I'm circling right now, click it, and everything turns green. Sometimes you're gonna see red. So as long as you click the all pages, that is okay. One more time, make sure that you click this page, all pages, and then you click publish. So everything is gonna be published. Then you wait, and then you just finish with the first part of that third assignment. Now let's continue with the second part of the third assignment. The second part of the third assignment is to create a sub-page under Understanding Myself. How can you create a sub-page? You're gonna go and click this lock icon over here. You click it. Then you're gonna make sure that you see that it's unlocked. You will see a second icon. This icon over here. Do not touch it. Just make sure that you can see both icons. The unlocked icon. And then you're gonna hover here. And you can see once I hover this section, this menu list, you're gonna click the pen icon. Let me repeat it one more time. You're gonna see this lock icon. Just make sure you click it, and now it's gonna be unlocked. Then you're gonna hover this section over here, this white part. Then you're gonna click the pen icon, and then you're gonna have a list of pages. You're gonna focus in Understanding Myself. You can see here is the third option. So you're gonna click it, and then you can see that it's blinking. Once you click it, you're gonna press enter or return in your keyboard, and then it's gonna create a new page. You will need to name it My Major. Once you type it, just make sure that you save it. Okay, make sure that it's below Understanding Myself. You save it, and then it's gonna take a few seconds. There you go. So now you have it under Understanding Myself, a new page called My Major that we just created. And let me repeat it one more time. Every time that you edit your portfolio, you need to publish pages. So you just click over here, the three horizontal lines, publish pages, all pages, and click publish. Always repeat this step, publishing pages, so all your work is saved. Now that we created a page called My Major, we're gonna go to that page. You're gonna click it. You're gonna see this empty page. You're gonna click in Add Content. Then you can see that the last option over here is called Template. I'm circling right now. So you're gonna click it. Once it's blue, you can see it is blue. You're gonna make sure that you are gonna type here in the search bar. You're gonna delete this template word, and you're gonna type My Major. And you will see that you have a My Major template. You have two. It doesn't really matter, just pick one. I'm gonna pick the first one, and I'm gonna click use this template. One more time. Once you type in the search bar My Major, you select My Major template as printable template, and then you click use this template, and there you go. This is the page or the template using this page. The next section or the next part is to complete all these boxes. How? One more time, I told you, every time that you click any box, it's gonna give you a prompt and it's gonna tell you what do you need to do in that section. Here, once you click in my major is, it says tell the readers what is your major. So you're gonna just explain here everything about your major. Just make sure that you click the pen icon so it turns blue. Once it's blue, you can edit. If it's not blue, that means that you cannot edit. And then you're gonna type about your major. Just explain everything that you know about it, and that is pretty much. Do not just write your name, the name of the major, and that's it. No, you need to explain more than that. Then you continue with the second box. And you can see once I click it again, it gives me another prompt for this specific box. It says why and how did you decide to choose this major, and more questions that you need to answer here. How can you type it here? Just click the pen icon. Now it's blue. Now you can write it. Same procedure with the third box. You can just guess it. Click the box, and then you have the prompt with the questions. So one more time. Every time that you have an assignment in the following weeks, just click the boxes. Once you click the boxes, you're gonna have the question that you need to answer in that particular box. Okay. So once you answer all these three boxes, my major is, I decided to choose this major, and my major suits me because blah blah. Then once you finish it and you completed everything, you need to publish pages. One more time, 3 horizontal lines, publish pages, click all pages, and click publish. Then you wait until everything is gonna be published, which means it's gonna be saved and submitted. Then one final thing that you need to do here is that you need to upload pictures related with your major. It's not only writing, but also posting pictures, and also you can post videos if you want to. It's totally up to you, but at least pictures. How? You can just scroll all the way down. Once you scroll all the way down, you can see this blue plus icon over here. You're gonna click it. Now you need to scroll down over here as well. And then you're gonna see where it says more ways to add content. You have a bunch of options to upload pictures, videos, anything. So what I'm gonna recommend you to use is upload file for pictures. One more time, every time that I will tell you to upload pictures, use the upload file. If you wanna use a video, a YouTube video, what you can use is the embed options. So you click it, for example, the embed options, you can just paste the link of the YouTube video and then click embed, and that will be pretty much. But in this case, I'm not gonna post a video. You can do it on your own. What I'm gonna show you is the picture. So I'm gonna click upload file. So you will need to click this blue plus icon, and then it's gonna show you your the files that you have in your computer, and then you're gonna select any picture related with your major that you can download from the internet. So I'm just gonna skip this section over here because I already have a picture. So I have it in my gallery. So let's say that I'm gonna pick a random picture over here just for the purpose of this example. In your case, you will need to use a picture about your major one more time. So there you go. Something that you can also do with the picture is that you can modify the size. As you can see, once you hover the picture, you have 4 circles in the corners. So that means that you can just hover, and then you can adjust by holding the icon the size. Make it shorter, make it bigger. It's all up to you. You can play with those options. And that's it. One more time, you need to upload pictures about your major, not only filling out these boxes but also pictures, and also you want 2 videos. Once you have the pictures, and I'm saying plural pictures, more than one, then one more time go here, 3 horizontal lines, publish pages, click all pages, and click publish. And this will conclude the assignment number 3. Now let's move on to assignment number 4. For assignment number 4, it's gonna be pretty similar to what we did here to create a new page. So now this page is gonna be called, give me a second, My College Choices. So what you need to do is, one more time, how to create a new page. I already showed you how to do this one. If you remember well, you will need to go to the lock icon over here. Then you hover this section. Then click the lock icon. And now the new page that you're gonna create is gonna be below transfer planning. So you just look every single one. Just make sure that you find transfer planning. About me, planning for success. Then I'm gonna keep moving, going down, and then I found it here, transfer planning. So I'm gonna click it and then press enter or return as I showed you before. And then you have a new page here. The name is gonna be My College Choices. One more time, is below transfer planning and it's called My College Choices. Click save. Click the 3 horizontal lines and publish pages. As you can see, this is just something that you are gonna get used to it by publishing pages all the time. So all the work that you do is gonna be saved. So now if I hover here, planning for success, now below transfer planning, it says My College Choices. You're gonna click it. And this is the new page that we created. The second page. The first one was my major, the second one is My College Choices. But one more time, this is assignment number 4. Now we're gonna click add content. Then we're gonna click template. And then we're gonna select this and delete it, and we're gonna type in the search bar the new template, which is College Choices. There you go. So you can just type college or college choices, up to you. But once you type a college, by default it's gonna give you these options. So make sure that you use the one that it says My College Choices. So you have 2. The third one, it doesn't say My College, it says Updated College Resources. So do not use it. So you can use My College Choices template as printable. This one, the first one. Then once you click it, it's gonna give you this option and you're gonna click use this template. And there you go. You have a template. You will need to complete this section over here. You're gonna type here about college choice number 1, 2, and probably a number 3 that we're gonna in class I will give you more instructions about it. So keep in mind, once you're gonna do college choices 1, 2, and 3, you're gonna click the pen icon, and then once you click it, you have the prompt option, and you see what you need to write it here, and you're gonna type here about that specific college. This assignment is just to give you the idea of what options do you have after you complete your associate degree. And also let me tell you that keep in mind that even if you are planning to get only an associate degree, you will still need to complete this assignment by searching for a 4-year college. Okay, one more time, you will need to find 3 different options. Let's say that you want to transfer to City College. You're gonna talk about City College over here. How can you change this title if you want to? You can just go here to the gear icon, and now you see the gear icon is blue, and then you will have a bunch of options over here in the left side. So you're gonna click module options. Once you click it, you can see college choice number 1. So you're gonna select that one and then delete it, and then you're gonna type, let's say, City College, and there you go, you have the title. Then you can just click the X icon, and then one more time follow the prompt options over here to complete this reflection part. Then in the university pictures over here, you're gonna just find it in Google, download it, and follow the same steps. An icon, replace this item, upload file, and then you click the blue plus icon, and then you will need to look through your files in your computer, the picture that you downloaded from the internet about that specific college, which in this case is City College, for example. And then you just click save and everything is gonna be saved here. Then you move on with the second one, college choices 2, repeat the same steps. As you can remember, is you click that gear icon over here to change the name of the title. So I'm gonna go to the left side, I'm gonna click module options and repeat the same steps. I'm gonna change the title. Let's say Cornell University. There you go. And then you just discuss about that option. Okay, these are examples. Obviously you can decide any other 3 different college. For the third one, I will explain you that in class, so please pay attention. So at this point, just make sure probably this will be available to you after class or even before, so just make sure that you just follow all the instructions explained during class. Okay, so you will be able to complete as well college number 3, the option number 3, but you can just focus on completing these 2 different assignments. Assignment number 3, which was understanding myself and my major, and assignment number 4, which is my college choices, the we just did it right now. Finally, you just publish pages, and that will be the end. Now everything has been saved, and that's pretty much for assignment number 3 and number 4.